Hi guys, and welcome back. It's been such a long time from I think about 5 years now since my last YouTube channel in the lockdown. But obviously we got some exciting news today, and we're actually going down to the shop. By now you all would have had your emails to say that we are moving, and it's so exciting. So today's like my first day going. I'm gonna go and source a signage place, get a few quotes, see how much that will be and what's needed for the building, and whether I want to have a bit of a light up one, which I think that will be very nice. And also I'm gonna go and get the mop buckets, and it's a bit boring, but it's good because we're gonna need it to start cleaning up the shop. So we're currently on our way to do that. So this morning was like Monday, and I said, oh, the work starts now, because we got handed in the keys on last Thursday. So that was so surreal when I woke up and I was like, oh my word, I got the keys. So I'm just currently leaving home, and I'm just gonna go and see what different signage, and if anyone knows of any other signage places, you never know, you can let me know down in the comments as well. So that's where we're off to. I'm going to concentrate even more on the driving, and I'll see you shortly. Yeah, so what a morning it has been. It's been super productive, and yeah, we just went out looking for the signs. Got a mop bucket and all that jazz. Went to see for signs, and it's definitely an eye-opener on the signage, whether you want like a background light, do you want it to be 3D, and the colors, which I wanted to go with my logo, my original brand logos with the golds, but I decided to keep the background white instead of black to give that fresh finish. Oh yes, I'm here with Manel. Hi. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. And then we're passing, I'm currently in Aldridge, and we're just passing this place called the Olive Tree, and we decided to stop off and get a little coffee, because we did leave out around after 11 this morning. So as much as we ate breakfast, it's kind of nearly 3 p.m. now, and we got a little Victoria sponge. We was gonna have the breakfast was gonna have the coffee inside the little hut place. It's just lots of little cabins, and you can have like a massage in one cabin, and some are being rented. Some people have sales offices. It's just like a land filled with cabin, and there's like a cabin for the garden centers. So that's interesting. And there's a little mini barber in a cabin there. So that's a very interesting use of the area where we are. Yeah, so I'm just having my Americano, which is so much needed. But yes, it's been productive, and on my way back towards home now, and then I'll pop to the shop later on, so I'll show you when I get there. And also went into the DIY store, and my coat is now a different color, all dusty, and yes, I wiped it off with wipes, but can't wait to change when I get back to today. All right, so stay tuned. So here I am in B&Q. I tried to do the other places, but I think it's nice when the colors are just laid out. So I'm came for the paints for the ceiling, so we're gonna just start off with that. So we've got ceiling paint. Just angle this. So we got ceiling paint and this color for the walls. So maybe I should just get a tested patch, but I feel like it is the color that I'd want. Yeah, so that should be good. So got our paint, so because all I want to do is just put everything where the shop is, and that's it. So then I just go in and do little bits each day that I can to contribute to the thing coming over. So yeah, so that we can open at the as early as possible, really. So yeah, I'm in B&Q and just gonna pay for these now and be out of here on our way to the shop in a second. But the thing is, being in this shop, it will actually let you want to just buy out the whole of the things. So yeah, so many ideas, honestly. It's absolutely ridiculous. Yes, but yes, so far so good. And here we are in the salon now. We finally made it from this morning. So we're actually in the lobby at the moment. So now I'm going to just show you from this angle. This is the main lobby area. So as we walk in, okay, and then straight ahead is the toilet. Yes, I won't put the light on because we don't need to. Yeah, so that's the toilets that will need quite a nice human touch in there. And then we're going to walk down. We've got lots of boxes and stuff that they're going to come and clear away. So the floor is how it's just been, because it's been empty for quite a few months. So from the door, we're going to come in. And yes, this looks like this. Well, this used to be a pharmacy. So there's lots of high-tech equipment in here. It's just such a lovely space. And then as we come inside here, this is like the fire exit. Yes, and yeah. So, and then afterwards it became a pharmacy. So then we're back in the lobby that you've already seen already. You can see we've got quite a bit to do on the ceilings there. And then this bit, this is the second section. So we've got, just watch the steps, and it is a little dark in here. So I'm going to try and put on, yes, so I've got the torch on now. So yeah, so this is the third area. So along this section here, from the outside you've got the windows, but due to it being a pharmacy, it's been locked off. So we're going to have to take off all these panels to expose back the windows to give us some light back in. And then a little sink area, and then this bit, step up a little few steps, and then this bit here, this will be the staff quarters. So we've got, need to make this around here a little bit cozy. I'm looking forward to this, making this section looks nice and cozy. And then we got like a little kitchen area. Yes. And then this is all the cupboard, the boring stuff. That's the wires and lights and cameras. And then this room here also needs a lot of work in here as well. But this is our third area, and we're still deciding what we're going to do with that section. Yes, definitely. Okay, so yes, and then let's go back up into the light. Yes, so that is the tour of the salon, our new salon. Yeah, so I thought I'd come and show you to keep you posted, because I know sometimes when it's new and it's changed, we all like to know like what exactly is this a smooth transition in, how where are we going. So it's good to be in the know a little bit, and good for me as well to be able to share such a big moment with you. So I'm super excited to continue taking you on the journey. And yes, I'm going to go and empty out the car and empty out all the paint. Well, only 2 tins of paint really, because I wanted to test patch which if I actually like the color, which I think I will. But when it goes on the wall, it's always different, isn't it? So I'm going to do that, empty the car, and then come in and see what definitely needs doing and what we can continue with going forward, because new ventures are always needs budgets, because they can be really costly. But we're trying to make sure that the choices that we make is good choices, and also nice choices that will be of benefit to all our customers really. So yes, so I'll see you at some point either in the salon this week, or yes, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done already, because this is where all the detailed videos are going to be, as well as follow us on Instagram for hair videos and tutorials. I'm trying to keep each space just different, each platform to be different, so you know when you want to come towards what's going on in the salon, it will be YouTube, and Instagram is in between salon life and hair videos. And I'm also going to be starting back a Pinterest of just like photos, because I know people value just knowing what styles they want. Yeah, so stay tuned and I will see you shortly. Thanks for watching.